is.
Now eat it this one. Eat this one. He likes that one. Have this one. Have this one. Ooh, he likes that one. Nah. What's he doing?
He wants another one.
Oh,
No, not that. He don't want to eat that.
Why?
Cause he don't eat big pieces of wood. He's a bunny rabbit.
Want this one? Want this one? Want this one? Want to take this one? This one? Want this one? This, don't taste this one. Taste it, taste it, taste it. You go, eat it. Come do good. Do it.
Did he eat it?
Do it.
Oh, it's not long enough, is it?
Yeah.
You need a longer one.
Yeah, and you can't eat it. Oh, you want, what do you want?
Did he go away?
It's not. Oh, yeah, right.
Here he is.
What? Whoa.
Did he eat it?
He wasn't eating the stopping.
What was it?
It was.
Did you give him some of that?
Yeah. You liked it.
He liked it.
He liked it.
Did he?
What happened to him right there?
Where is he?
What's that smell like?
Do you smell dog poop?
No.
What's what it smell like?
It smells like the bunny rabbit.
It smells like the bunny rabbit.
What side is good? Oh, you want another one. You want to eat this? Another one? Eat it. Ow, don't do that. Ow, don't. He's eating it. I'm feeding it. Don't do that to people. Don't do that again. Just put your hand down. Right down on you. Now, no!
I'm on. Ow!
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Don't do that again.
Okay.
It's too tickly. Don't do that
It's
again.
too tickly.
I'm feeding the rabbit. Don't do that again. I'm gonna get you a whooping.
You gonna give me a whooping?
Do that again, and get you a whooping.
Well, I'll give you a whooping.
Look at him steering it. Wow. Oh no, he's gonna run over me. Oh no. Yeah, watch out. Ahí está. Turn it.
Put your hand on the wheel. your hand on the water. He looks huge. Look at him.
Turn it.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
He's got a rough over there. Uh-huh.
Damn, like you get it out of Autumn.
Looks like he's showing off. Like, look at what I got.
Wow.
That little car?
There's awkward or something.
Wow.
That's cute. Garrett, your head's too big. Don't do that. You make Mama nervous.
Marcel, thank you.
You're welcome, Groucho. I'm going to set it on the table. You're welcome, Groucho. Marks. It's exactly the same. Or it should be.
Was that in it? Skittles?
No, if yours has got Snickers.
No, it's just got Skittles in it.
This is, oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's different ones.
No. You're not going to make a mess of that. Put it back in the basket.
What is it?
Happy Easter. Garrett, look in the camera.
Thank you.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Me and Mama went one day. I'm like, it's his birthday, Mama. And she's like, no. Because they do a big thing.
Hi, camera. Hi, people of the world. Wait. Why am I looking that way? Garrett! I hate it when he does that. I always fall down when he does that.
Can you pick her up, Garrett?
No.
Here it comes. Ouch! They hit you in the lip. Are you okay?